I am at a facility a day early, like 12 hours early, roughly. Actually, to the second, 12 hours early. I was going to stay the night on the property and went to park ready to cook something to eat. I don't know if y'all been here, but that's what it looks like. I think I go in there, that door. Right in there. I get loading tonight. Don't mind the bugs on the windshield. If I were to try to wash them off, it would be a big mess. So I have to stay in the truck. I can't get out and show you. Some places I can, but this one no. The trailer lit up. You know, I'm thinking I might get an an action camera, something I can mount on the back of the truck, suction cup or something. Wow, and you can see what's happening back there. Yeah, I might do that. What do y'all think? I'm still waiting for them to load it, but I'm glad to be in here early. They said they're 24 hours, but the thing was they started cleaning for Monday to be ready, and I just fully accepted to stay the night. They let me stay on the property, so we might get loaded and stay on the property. I don't know. We'll see. There ain't a single soul in there on that platform. Nowhere. Nowhere. I heard them kabong, kabong. They're trying to get some product to move, or at least see if it's in the line. I don't know. You know, it's milling. You never know. You want to know what my wife's favorite noise is? We now have gotten up to that much. It's been quite a while. They did confirm that they're having issues. We've been here 3 hours now. Well, that's okay. That's how it goes. At least they found the problem tonight, not tomorrow when trucks are going to be coming in like crazy to get loaded. So, we'll wait and see what it says. We are steadily increasing. So I guess they fixed our problem, or their problem. Nice. That number should get up. It should get up to like 22, and then another 28,000. So if they don't split it, it should say 50, and that's what's supposed to be in the trailer. Uh-oh. Where is it? There's a Camry. There we are. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-huh. She thought about stopping again. Pretty exciting. I couldn't wait anymore. I actually was really hungry, so I didn't cook a steak. I had lunch meat, shaved off some slices off the old block of cheese, and ate a little cottage cheese. So I might not cook again tonight. Oop. Looking good. Pulling up. Oh, I watch Vice Grip. I didn't know if y'all know that. There's old Derek Barry. It's on his latest video. Something with the big old RV. Pretty cool. Now, where are we at now? Come on, 14 grand. 17. 25.5. There, try to be a little more steady. Oh, wait, he's doing it again. Taking that pole with product and then he's putting it down in that bucket. Let's get past the bugs. Ultra zoom. Almost 34. Come on now. We have stopped again. That'll be our total gross so far. They switch. But you never know, that may be all they can load me. I don't know. We'll find out. So yeah, 73,180 is what we are. They said they just can't do anymore. So he said, pull straight out. I'm gonna probably just cut it off here for the night, and then I will just talk to y'all tomorrow. I'm most likely gonna stay here the night, get up morning and leave, and I'll check in with y'all then. Good night. It is not in the morning. It's tonight. See? So, I left in the morning. I had a good drive. I drove like 575 miles. And picking of trucking parking was very slim. So, I couldn't grill. I'm at a scale house. I don't think I should grill at the scale house. Guess I could. Nah, screw it. I'll do it next time. But look. Yeah. Serrano peppers, onions, and 2 ribeyes. Just about ready to eat. I'm excited. So, get ready to plate these. I'll be right back. Steak. Ribeyes. Woo, look at that. Yes, sirree. She's a sizzling. Grab one of these suckers. And we're gonna get some onion. And a Serrano. Maybe. Come here. All right. All right. Ooh, buddy. Well, that is how you cook that sucker. Now, I am not sure how to cut this without a tripod. Hang on, let me cut it. Are you ready to see it? Hang on. Look at that. Cooking on the truck with the bearded trucker. Yes, sir. Man, that looks delicious. Can you believe that? Goodness. I'm gonna have dinner. I cooked 2 of them suckers, but I'm gonna save one for tomorrow. But I'll do more talking with you tomorrow. I'm gonna eat. I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys later. Steak. Morning. Morning, everybody. It's a bad skin day for some reason. I've gone from hot weather, humid weather, dry weather, and now I'm in cold weather. So my skin ain't liking it. But here we are. So they took that delivery here from that machine. Right in the middle of the screen is a pole. And there it probes the product. And this place got some pretty cool looking buildings. I think it's awesome. Yep. Coming on back. I don't know where I go. I saw a truck go behind this little shed along the side of that rail car and disappear. So I think it's where to go. But I'm not quite sure. And I'm wearing a vest that's too small for me. Work gave this to me. Just over. That ain't gonna happen. So here we wait. Alright. We're snacking. Y'all ever had these? These are good. I wasn't able to film at the plant where I was unloading. They allowed absolutely no glass of any kind near the pit, so no cool video there. But I was getting ready to go to a farm and do a farm location. I thought that would be really neat to see. Well, it's been... So that's not going to happen. They canceled that load. The customer called me and verified they were not going to do it. So I said, okay. So I'll let work know. I said, man, I've been here like 20 hours. So they said they would go ahead and I'll just stay here to finish the 34 to get a new clock. So I'll take a break here. That'll be over tonight sometime. I don't know where I'm going next, but I'm going to incorporate that into this current video. Wherever life takes us. The rain's supposed to stop, supposed to get windy, supposed to get up to about 70 degrees. Right now it's 47. So we're just gonna wait the day out. Got good news. My sugar's finally under control. Where is it? Where is it? 122. Look at that. It was in the upper 300s. Of course, today I'm having some chicken, breaded chicken, but I'm having good stuff today. I got me one of the, I love these old fatty cheese meat sticks. I'm gonna treat myself to some dressing today. It's pretty carby, but then I'm treating myself to an energy drink, 0 sugar. Even though that means chemicals, still 0 sugar. But look at that, 122. So cool. So cool. I'm excited. Sure beats the upper 300s. I'm sure I was in 400 range there for a little bit. Still waiting on a load for tomorrow. I normally don't take 34s until I run out of my 70 completely, so this is a nice treat to do it a little early. So, look at that. Yes, sirree. That'll make a feller happy. I mean, real happy. All right. Well, everybody, we're here swapping out a trailer. We had a driver go down on his transmission. I was the nearest one because my load got canceled due to weather. Whew. It's cold. I should have put a jacket. All right, I already unhooked from my trailer. How long have y'all been down? How did that happen? I don't think we're even a couple miles from delivery. Oh, okay. If it was windy, I'd be having a coat on, that's for sure. Oh yeah. That's awesome. These guys are cool. They don't mind me videoing. So this is feather mill. Milled up feathers. Coming out real nice. Oh, it's raining. Oh, I'll melt. See, that first one's empty. Well, I'm glad we were finally able to tie together what one whole video would look like, but at least, or one load, at least we were able to do it. All right, we got her done. Let's go. And it's raining. That's Union Pacific stuff. Slippy slidey, slippy slidey. No, we want to turn. Getting stuck. Getting stuck. Well, motherfucker. We might be stuck. I'm freaking stuck. Well, they pulled me out. Thank you, Tony's. Got me out. Well, hopefully I don't get stuck again for a while. Last time I got stuck like that was in 2015, doing just the same stupid crap. Alright, we're now getting weighed. I went around the building, didn't make it, got stuck. Awesome. Oh, good? All right. I'm backing out this time. That's for sure. I do want to give a big old thanks out to Tony's for helping me out. Byproducts here. They were very patient with me being in the way. I really do appreciate it. I mean, honestly. And then Work for being so gracious about my mistake. So, y'all have a wonderful one. See you on the next video.